What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. And in this video, we will be doing an eye autofocus test on the Nikon Z6 III, and we will be comparing it to the Nikon Z6 VIII. Now, disclaimer, when I was doing this test, I didn't realize that I had the Nikon Z6 III on tracking for everybody. Basically, people, pets, cars, boats, planes, everything, right? So you will see that it's trying to look for the cars in the background. But what I did was, once we locked onto the subject, I half pressed the shutter and it just stayed with her the whole time. So we took a lot of photos and everything like that. So how we're going to do this is, I'm going to show you the Nikon Z6 III so you can see the screen and everything. Then I'm going to show you the Z8, and we're going to jump into Lightroom and look at some files to see exactly how it goes. Now, the reason I'm doing this test is everybody wants to know, is the Z6 III on par with the Z8? And I will let you be the one to judge that. I'm not sure if I said that already because I shot this a lot of times, but if I didn't, that's why I'm doing it. And if I did, then just hearing this again. So let's jump into the footage and then we're going to jump into Lightroom. Let's go. Spin and walk towards me. Perfect. Keep coming. Stop right there. Okay. All right, come closer. Stop. Cover the eyes. Drop the hand. Drop the hand. There you go. Spin. Okay, cool. Step sideways out of frame. Come back in the frame. Perfect. There you go. Listen, can you go down and come up? Perfect. Oh, yeah. That's perfect. Yep, perfect. And then another spin one more time. Perfect. And hold up. So this time, walk this way. You don't got to go all the way far back. I'm just going to take a whole bunch of just photos. That's good right there. And then just walk towards the camera. Perfect. All right, this is the Z8. All right, ready when you are? Ready? A little closer, spin, closer, about right there, stop. Okay, so step out, and come back here, perfect, and go down, come back up. Perfect. And then what I have you do this time is kind of halfway and just walk quick towards me. And when you walk, right there, that's fine. When you walk forward, do a spin and keep walking forward too, like one spin. Ready? Spin. Perfect. Perfect, I like that, that's better. Okay, so let's get into the files. Now, with the Z6 III, as you may already know, it's a 24 megapixel camera. So me being zoomed in to 100% is gonna be way different than me being zoomed into 100% on the Z8. But you know, at 100% from her being this far back. This is all we can see. Now, as you can tell, you know, I went through all of these photos, but I just want to go through them with you as well. But all of these photos were literally in focus, and you know, I don't want you to think that I'm just lying to you or whatever. So let's get a little closer, so 100% actually looks better. But I would say that it nailed it every single time, right? But we're gonna go through some more as well, especially when she did that spin. Let's go to the spin, because the spin is kind of interesting. If I can find the spin, let's look for the spin, guys. I think this is the spin. Cool. So 100%, this is her going in for the spin. This is her back, side profile, and then back with the walk. So as I said right there, Z6 III, I literally see no difference. And once again, this, oh, I thought that was one had to render. And I think that is because of the processor, but it using the processor that it's using. Here we go. This is us a little closer as well. And we can really see at 100%, you know, how it's doing. And this is when I had her walk towards the end, real close again. Let's go ahead and touch some of these. But yeah, I would say that it did a great job. Now we can go look at the Z8 photos, but I'm pretty sure you guys are only here to see what the Z6 III can do. But let's jump into it. So as you can already guess, all of these photos are, what? Oh, okay. Oh, scared me for a second. Yeah, so all of these photos, wait a minute, wait, oh, okay. Yep, almost scared me again. And these are just taking a while to fetch, because once again, with the megapixels being so big, it takes a while to fetch it. Look at that. Wait, okay. You're playing games with me at this point. So, you know, that is what's to be expected with a camera of that. Oh, let's go to the turn. I think this is a turn. This is a spin. Let's check out the spin. See if it's good here. Perfect. There we go. Profile, nice. So turn around once again, nice. Back to the front, and it focused on her the whole time. So, and also if you're watching this video and you don't have a Nikon and you don't know if you should come over because of the eye autofocus, hopefully this is helping you make your decision as well. If you are stuck between if you should get a Z6 III or a Z8, both, in my opinion, are phenomenal cameras. Let's go. I think we did another spin and it kind of looked a little funky when I was looking at that eye autofocus on the video. So let's see how that turned when it came to this one. Okay, so this is the beginning of the spin. Okay, that's still in. Okay. Yep, that looks like it's still good. Still good. Still good. Okay. Yep. And we're good. But if you recall, if you looked at the video, it was a little part where it looked like the box was kind of on the right side. So I wanted to see, because that's the thing as well, you know. It's one thing for that box to be different places, but when you get these photos in Lightroom, you need to see exactly what it actually did compared to what it shows you. Sometimes, and I noticed this when I shot with the R5, that although, in that case, although it was on the eye, some of the shots were soft, you know, so, you know, it's the software that could make something seem like it is what it isn't. And you're really not going to know until you get these shots in. But as you can see, you know, the Z8 did a phenomenal job the way it's supposed to. So there you have it. So tell me, what do you think about the Nikon Z6 III performance? Do you think that it's on par with the Z8? Do you think it's a little bit behind? And is it enough for you to switch to the Nikon Z6 III? Leave that down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.